my music influences was, I gotta give it to Mila J, Lauryn Hill. I'm more so the old school style, so Lauryn Hill, like I said, Eryka Badu, and can't forget the late great Whitney Houston. Yeah, I'm off to Georgia with it, these niggas know. Man, the biggest that's a good question. I've never been asked that in an interview, but dealing with people with bad business, and coming to you acting like they really for you and they not, So what I did was I separated myself from that table and got around a table that is on the same level as me, and that's for me and I'm for them too. Everything is 50-50. I won the championship. Definitely, I just dropped the project, actually, Silent Hustle. I just dropped that. So definitely tune in with that. That's on all platforms right now, floating around. So definitely tap in with Silent Hustle. Opinions matter. 31 flavors. My social media is on IG, Twitter, all the same thing. Marli De'Carvae, follow me. To go and get it.